Hey guys, welcome back. Drip and Farm for Poverty. I'm your host, Drip Coach, dropping knowledge bombs on all Forex Shark related projects. And in this video, are we on the cusp of hyperinflation in the US? Well, venture capitalist and angel investor Balaji Srinivasan certainly thinks so. He's moving $2 million into USD stablecoins, USDC specifically, for a bet predicting that hyper Bitcoinization is on the horizon. With Bitcoin becoming the new digital gold, he warns that once people realize the Federal Reserve has lied about how much money is in the banks, all dollar holders will be destroyed. Srinivasan is even making a $1 million bet that Bitcoin will be 1 million in 90 days, specifically by mid-June. Critics suggest it's a marketing ploy, but Srinivasan argues that the digital devaluation of the dollar is imminent and intense, urging everyone to buy Bitcoin, with other crypto boosters also warning of hyperinflation. Could this be the moment for Bitcoin to skyrocket? Now, you guys have seen me highlight him on my channel before. He is the former CTO of Coinbase, venture capitalist. I mean, tons of accolades, billionaire, yada, 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 right? So we don't know what this really is about. And many are speculating that it's just a marketing ploy for him to push some other altcoins, such as this critic says that the bet might be a mere marketing ploy or even a pump and dump scheme, considering Srinivasan's history of promoting altcoins. Or it could just be him trying to get some hype. We really don't know, but Forbes covered this. Bitcoin.com has covered it. It was on CoinDesk. It's all over the world, the news in the Bitcoin space. And basically, since he put this out on Friday, I think we've seen about a 4% pump in Bitcoin since then. Now, what I find interesting and what I want to show you guys, and that's what the title was this about, regarding BNB. Now, I'm going to honestly believe that I don't think this would happen, especially in 90 days. I do believe the long-term value of Bitcoin, but I don't have enough insight or wherewithal to really be able to give some solid speculation on hyperinflation and how that would affect us. I have definitely seen hyperinflation from other countries that I visited. You can read up about it, and that is nothing to ignore. I don't believe the US would go down that path that quickly, but hell, who knows, right? But anyway, let's examine what does that mean for our beloved Drip, and specifically BNB, because we know that BNB and BTC are correlated. So of course, decided to break out the handy dandy spreadsheet to show you guys a little up close and personal kind of speculation. So this simple math. Let's just say Balaji is correct, and maybe not necessarily in 90 days, but in the near future, right? What would that mean for BTC to increase from its current price range? So what I did here was simply put BTC and BNB just so we could see what they did. This is the all-time low in the current cycle. This was around July, and this one was November. So we had two different bottoming events, but we just want to get the all-time lows in this current cycle. And then we have the all-time highs. This was earlier, this was later. And that shows us the difference between the all-time low and the all-time high, roughly 70%. So about 73% average between these two. So you can see BNB is highly correlated. And we are currently up 171% from the all-time low on BNB and up 178% from the all-time low on BTC, right? So what does that mean if it were to go to $1 million? Well, if BTC were to pump to $1 million, that would require 3,500% increase. And the equivalent increase using the average between this, so it's about 95% difference between the two. That means we would see an $11,000 BNB price. I have to laugh because that's ridiculous, especially right now. I can see that in future markets, but again, this is someone far smarter than me putting this out there and putting $1 million bet on the line. And just to let you guys know, they say that he owns thousands of Bitcoin. So even if it pumps about 4%, he stands to make up the losses. So this could be 100% marketing, but it's fun to look at the numbers nonetheless, because again, a smarter person than me said this. So what does that mean for our Drip price? If it was $11,400 for BNB? Well, we know, I've told you guys multiple times, showed you this, so you can help educate those poor other degens out there that don't know how to do this. Circulating supply, and the actual price of BNB with the current BNB balance is what dictates the price. And remember, you can find all of those metrics right on the home screen on the Faucet side. So you got total supply. I want it to 1,800,000. Then this is the amount of BNB, and then you just get the current BNB price. Really simple math. So let's just say nothing changed and we kept this exact supply and this exact BNB balance, but BNB jumped 3,400%. What do you think the drip price would be? Drum roll, please. We would get to about a $15 drip price off of a $11,400 BNB price. So that would be insane. Clearly, you would have a lot of millionaires born literally overnight or in the next 90 days. Now, again, this isn't clickbait. This isn't me saying it's going to do this. This is just speculating what BNB would do if what Balaji says Bitcoin would do. So we will see how this shapes up. Even if this happens to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, and this starts the Bitcoin rally, and also reference the Bitcoin rally, we have some other analysts saying that that has indeed started. If you've been in the game long enough, then you are familiar with Plan B. He is the Bitcoin analyst that basically called the previous cycles. He missed this last one, but he definitely puts out a lot of charts and stuff like that and has a huge following, and a lot of people respect his opinion in the space. And he said on March 19th, the RSI is over 50, bull market is confirmed. So he's saying the bull market is here. Now, that doesn't mean we're going to jump to $1 million like Balaji said. But again, a lot of people are converting and saying that we are indeed in the start of a bull run. There's a few bears still on the sideline, like Gareth Soloway says we need to claim 30,000. But anyway, I'm not going to get into all this technical analysis stuff. The point is that this bet, we will see how it plays out by mid-June. So June 17th is the day to mark your calendar. By the end of June, for sure. Let's see what Bitcoin does. And again, if we were to indeed hit a $1 million Bitcoin, it would be feasible to say that we would hit $11,500 BNB price, and we would be out of the woods for drip. And that would be great with a lot of these other things coming on the horizon. So this could get crazy very, very quickly. And I would imagine we'd have more BNB balance, and the supply should be reduced by then. So this is just a lowball figure if big, huge if this were to actually come true. But we'll even take a small speculation on that, or percentage of that. Let's just go to 400 or 450, you know. One of those is still good. All right. Hope that provided some value. If it did, you know the drill. Smash that HBO special, help brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below, and until next time, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See ya. Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? Spritz Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.